This is the strange attractor. I'm dealing with philosophy, art and science. What you just saw was the title picture of the Fractal Art Calendar 2023. And it confuses the AI. So you see it here, and it's the second in series for the brand I Love Chaos, and the brand I Love Chaos is made for popularizing chaos theory and a general positive attitude to science, technology and fun stuff. When you get the calendar in our Etsy shop, use the coupon code I Love Chaos and you will see images like this one. This image is made by Mark Brady, also known as Aurelius Cut Fractal Art. It is made using Mandelbrot, I think, or Mandelbrot 3D, because Mark is as well an old-timer in the Fractal forums and he's creating images for ages. The funny thing is we compare it with the Mark J. Brady image from last year, which is also made using Mandelbrot or Mandelbrot 3D, and since they have such a similar names, Mark J. Brady and Mark Brady, Mark Brady decided to call himself Aurelius Cat Fractal Art. So, thank you for participating in our project and see you next issue with the November image. Still here? Okay. Enjoy the animation. See you next time.